What's up, DGens? It's your boy Crypto B, and we're back with the freshest crypto updates from the last 6 hours. Strap in, we're about to moonwalk through today's crypto landscape, and remember, we're doing this every 6 hours. So hit that subscribe to stay ahead. First up, let's hit those price movements. Our top winners are Pippin mooning with plus 18.8%, M getting a juicy plus 3.6%, and CC pumping plus 1.8%. On the flip side, we've got BCH getting wrecked at negative 13.2%, Pump deflating by not 11.2%, and Hype losing steam at 9.3%. Overall, the market's feeling bearish, but remember, volatility is where we thrive, DGens. Diving into the main stories, AI's making waves in crypto, with Near dropping a super app that's got AI muscles for confidential transactions. Kraken's co-CEO is all in, trusting AI with his stash, while Dragonfly's Hasib Qureshi's throwing shade, skeptical of the AI hype. On the quantum side, Michael Saylor's chilling, saying Bitcoin's safe from quantum hacking for a cool decade or so. Meanwhile, we're all here wondering if our digital gold is about to get quantum busted. Big bucks and regulations are shaping the game. Aave's controversial $50 million bag has heads turning, and Chainlink's Taylor Lindman just switched teams to the SEC. Yup, it's getting spicy in the regulatory kitchen. Bitcoin ETFs are under the microscope. Are they quietly stacking or just holding tight? With market swings, these ETFs might just be our crystal ball for Bitcoin's institutional allure. NFT Corner, Bored Ape Yacht Club's floor is up to 25.50 ETH, gaining plus 3.2%. Pudgy Penguin slid a bit to 8.20 ETH, a minus 1.5% dip. But Azuki, they're on fire with the floor hitting 12.80 ETH, that's a plus 5.8% leap. All right, DGens, that's the alpha for the last 6 hours. Keep those diamond hands ready, and don't forget to dive into the description below for those juicy reference links. We'll be back in 6 hours with more crypto chaos. Smash that subscribe button, and let's stay mooning. Crypto B, out.